The Leslie Parrish's PDF program offers you some of the biblical methods to achieve greater looks and health in no time. In today's world, most of the cosmetic products we use end up doing us more harm than good, and taking away from us our skin shine. They are just plain ineffective. And over time, women and men are getting more and more disappointed with what they get and the texture of their skin. This has led a lot of people to keep seeking newer and better ways to enhance the look of their skin. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The Youthful Genesis Guide is a system designed to help enhance the health and appearance of women and men. Every other day, people have to deal with stress and aging and not enough sleep, as well as environmental factors that do not exactly flatter the skin. All of these factors can cause effects like undue aging, a stiffness of the joints, and difficulty in leading a normal, healthy life, among other things. The Youthful Genesis system is designed to combat all of these problems and help you lead a healthier life while looking as well as feeling younger. The program is based on biblical principles as well as scientific ones, which help to prove its authenticity. Youthful Genesis PDF is a system designed to help everyone, both women and men, to get better lives by not just living healthy but also achieving great looks and appearance. It is a system based on the principles of the Bible as well as the principles of science. Therefore, while it picks principles from the Bible, it also makes sure to align with scientific principles to ensure that the methods are healthy and will not pose harm. This program is basically a guide which you need to follow in order to achieve your desired look, and includes steps which a number of people in the Bible have taken to be healthier and more beautiful. The Youthful Genesis ebook comes with a number of features to help enhance your appearance. It gives us 3 key teachings which can help you to perfectly achieve the youthful, radiant look you want. The program deals with what it calls the Beauty Youth Secret. This is concerned with teaching what will enable a youthful appearance even when you are at an advanced stage. The book also presents us with the practices which biblical women adopted, as is seen in the Bible. The program also tells us that apart from biblical women, there are other women such as Cleopatra who have used and benefited from the method. Click the link in the description below this video for details.